The promising novice alchemist Ursula has just invented a new type of crystallarium that could replicate any gem. Ursula went to a jewelry store and bought 1 carat of ruby. She put the ruby into the machine.
Every day it should copy the ruby once. How many carats of a ruby would I get after 6 days?
She questioned herself. Let's help Ursula find it. We have known that the number of rubies would be twice each day. And after the first day of replicating, Ursula would have 2 carats of ruby. 2 days later, Ursula had 4 carats of ruby. It can be written as 2 times 2. 3 days later, Ursula had 8 carats of ruby. It can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. 4 days later, there were 16 carats of ruby. It can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Let's see the result after 6 days. The number of rubies inside the machine would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 carats of rubies in all. Here we use 6 2's. You may also think it is too long an equation, right? To simplify, we can represent it as 2 to the 6th power. In this expression, 2 is called the base, the number being multiplied. The small 6 on top to the right of 2 is called the exponent, the number of times the base number is multiplied. For example, if Ursula put the gem into the crystallarium and waited for 8 days, then the equation would be 2 multiplied itself 8 times, which can be expressed as 2 to the 8th power. Friends, have you got it?